Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.